Welcome to IP Service, learn IT tips and troubleshooting. In this video, today I'm showing how to fix Windows 11 camera not working, quick and easy solution in 2025. First of all, click Windows button. Now you can see this problem. Camera cannot find your camera, an error code. Now we can go to solution it. First of click Windows button and click settings. Now we can click privacy and security. Now we can go under the section apps permission with camera. Now we can enable all of options. Now we can scroll down and related to camera, just integrated camera enable. Now your camera is enabled. Now we can try to second option and going settings, click apps, then click install apps. We can find now this camera option, click three dot option, then advanced options. Now we can enable all permissions. Now we can reset. If this app is not working right, we can try this repair it. Just click repair. If this app still is not working right, then click reset. Reset your camera apps. Then close. Then click this PC, show more options and click manage. Now we can go device manager. Now we can find your camera section, click camera. You can see integrated camera, integrated higher camera. Just we can update the camera apps. It's already installed. Just check another one. It's already installed. Now we can close. Now your all camera setup is okay. Now we can check our camera settings. Just click search to camera. Now we can see your, let's give some permission. Now your camera is working properly. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, share and subscribe IP Service for more details video. Thank you.